About this item, A port became C port, makes devices USB-A ports into a USB-C port, fits wall charger, docking station, power bank, car charger, computer/laptop with USB-A port to become a Type-C port to fit a USB-C cable or USB-C peripherals. Charging with this Type-C to a charger cable adapter, you can make your all USB-A charging devices became AC ports to fit new Type-C cable to charge iPhone 12, 12 Pro Max/12 mini etc. Transferring data. Connect this USB-C female to USB male adapter to your computer or laptop's USB-A port. Allows you to use your Type-C USB flash drive, or Type-C data cable and other Type-C devices. Super durable USB-C and USB-A connector is made of premium aluminum alloy on the ends, prevents scratches. Premium USB-A connector passes 10.000 plus push/pull test limitation. This is a USB-C female to USB-A male adapter designed for charging or data transfer, and it will not support video signal transmission. And this product doesn't work with MagSafe wireless charger due to the incompatibility of charging protocols. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item, A port became C port, makes devices USB-A ports into a USB-C port, fits wall charger, docking station,